apple wooden brie, she tastes good to me. And to get a bit silly around a piece of Kai Philly, what could be better? The vintage cheddar. Relieve that pressure with a nice bit of Cheshire. Cheesy Christmas, we're gonna have a cheesy Christmas. We're celebrating cheeses this year. If you dare go camembert, I'm enthralled to Emmental. Go and get a pack of feta. I'm a Gorgonzola rock and roller. Cheesy Christmas, we're gonna have a cheesy Christmas. We're celebrating cheeses this year. Good, halloumi, hey, I'll eat Red Leicester any day. Mozzarella, happy fella, I'm your man for Parmesan. Yeah, cheesy Christmas, we're gonna have a cheesy Christmas. We're celebrating cheeses this year. A great big cheer for Panis, Stilton, white and blue, and all the ones not mentioned here. Oh, and Wensleydale too. So many types to savor. Hey, make that cheese board large. The texture and the flavor, je suis la grande fromage. I said